Greetings and salutations, YouTube. Welcome back. I am doing my final video on Metro by T-Mobile and the service that it provides. So right now, I'm on my last week of service and I have put 61 gigs on this service, and I'm going to show people exactly what you get for 61 gigs of data. I have to say, it is very, very usable if you're in a market where T-Mobile has great service at, because basically once you hit 35 gigs, as you can see, they sent me the text message, 35 gigs of high-speed data, then you get temporarily slowed. The slowing hasn't really been that bad. I've been able to do fairly good tasks, video chats. I've been doing my Google Meets on a daily basis using the service. For the most part, everything's been going pretty good. So I want to show what the service looked like at 61 gigs. This is the last part to this series for a month of service. Currently, right now, I'm at the Home Depot. And the reason why I'm in this parking lot is because this parking lot and the antenna that provides service here overlooks where I live, and therefore it's not a main service cell, but it's a serving cell that reaches where I live at. So I want to see what the service look like over here. We're close where I live. So right now we're in the parking lot, and depending on where you look at, so this is the PetSmart, this is the Home Depot. The antenna is like right here, so it overlooks this whole parking area. And so we're gonna test the service, see what happens. And do you recommend it? Do I recommend it? So we're gonna do T-Mobile first. This is Magenta Max. And you're getting 556 megs down and about 99 up. Not bad. Let's see what we get on Metro by T-Mobile. So Metro by T-Mobile is 508 down and 94 up. Not bad, not bad. So speed test, we're doing individually first and then do them at the same time second. And it looked like it's being corroborated with the Google speed test. 602 down and about 103 up. Yep, 103 up. And out the gate, it's still giving me very decent throughput speeds. 618 up, down. And looking like about 102 up. Now, so we're going to run these at the same time. So does priority take over? Priority does take over. So in times of congestion, you are going to see your speed slow down if there's somebody else, like a Magenta or Magenta Max user, or maybe even somebody that's on, essentials, maybe. But that's a whole nother different video. And as you can see, 601 down, 82 up, 139 down, 64 up. And as usual, video service is capped on the Metro by T-Mobile plan. But you get decent video. So right now about 530 on Magenta Max and 201 on Metro by T-Mobile. All right. Let's get Inper fired up. And we'll be running these head to head against each other. So there go your deprioritization right there. So the deprio is kicking in as I'm on this tower with it. So you saw what happened when I ran them separately. Then all of a sudden now when I'm running them side by side, the priority is going back towards Magenta. Going through the video. .1080p is last, and notice they're both on SA. So their T-Mobile's 5G core is looking like it's managing Magenta versus Metro a lot differently. So as you can see here, 732 down and 92 up, and 89 down and 16 up. So there's a direct steep drop off if you're on a tower with a T-Mobile user. All right. Now, what type of task can you perform while you're on the tower at the same time? So we're going to download a 1 gig file. Come here. We're going to do them simultaneously at the same time. Take a look at the ticker here and you'll see what the throughput is on both sides of the phone. Boom. Details, details. All right, so right now, saying 10 minutes at 20 megs per second on Metro and 8 minutes on Magenta Max. Now I've done this test before. All of a sudden they kick in, but right now I got them both running at the same time. Alrighty, so 8 minutes to do this. I might be getting throttled on Magenta Max. .25 megabits per second versus 19 megs. So this, I don't know if this is going to be a good test to show. I've done this one before to test it out before I did this, and it's not showing very well. They're both being throttled. This could be a bad website for them. Yeah, this might be a bad website for them. I need to show the difference between the two, and they're both doing the same thing. So we're going to do PUBG. Google server is a whole lot more reliable. So install over the network. 3, 2, 1, go. There we go. All right, so we're at 32 down, 42% to 33. They're roughly pulling the same data here, except Magenta is getting throttled. 70% to 60, 90 to 80, 100%, 94%. So you still get very, very good data speeds being on Magenta after the fact that I've gone past the cap by almost 30 gigs. So the deprioritization is not as bad, but if you are in a congested area, you might see the brakes get put on you very hard. I'm in an open parking lot. This parking lot will be full during the course of the day. I'm out here at night, so it's not as drastic, but a very good test nevertheless. Thank y'all for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to see more videos. Feel free to comment, give your opinion. Does this help you? Do you not care? Feedback is always welcome. Thank you, and y'all have a good one.